I needed somebody who was going to represent me with the honesty, integrity, principles, and commitment to doing what's right at a time I really needed his help. Justice, I think, is best delivered and served by people that embody those principles. Paul and his team have passion and the tenacity to see it through. He led the charge on all of those fronts so I could focus on my family and doing my job despite pain and duress. Paul made me feel at ease knowing I didn't have to take care of these details. I could rest at night, recover and recuperate. I would come back to Paul because he's proven effective for me. I know how he does things. I know he has integrity, a very good knowledge of the law as it applies to whatever case is in front of him. And I think I mentioned he's provided results, and results speak loudly.